Hi, I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I'm here in Washington, D.C. at NEXUS 2024, and I'm catching up with Chad Larson, Vice President and CEO of Mel-O-Cream Donuts. Hi, Chad. Nice to see you.
Hi, Joanie. Thanks for having me.
So there's a lot going on at NEXUS, and it's different kinds of connections that we're making, and it's got something on my mind about innovation and just thinking about what are bakers dreaming about? So my first question I'm going to ask you is, if the sky were the limit and you had unlimited resources, what would be like the first one or two things on your wish list for innovation?
Okay, great question, first of all. And one shout out to the NEXUS team. Great job. Loving it. The beautiful thing with this is the Spark sessions that we're exposed to and given the opportunity to meet companies that we may not be able to talk to normally gives us that vision you're asking about. So for us, as we look at our future and growth, there's site selection, there's equipment sourcing, there's all these things. So we're really focused on what is that next step for our business because we're growing so quick. As you've seen in the data from BEMA Intel, the donut segment is booming right now. So we're trying to capitalize on that and make sure that we're riding that wave at the right way, strategically growing and putting pieces in play, i.e., buildings, equipment, and everything that the Spark sessions expose us to give us that opportunity to realize those dreams.
That's awesome. So do you think that having the Spark sessions are sort of sparking some new ideas for you that maybe you weren't even putting on your radar for what's possible?
Yes, because for instance, I have 3 Spark sessions today, and I've never met with these folks. So the beautiful thing is I get exposed to the what ifs and the opportunities that are out there that we didn't know before. And then I have a repository in my brain and say, we need these things. And I've got these companies that we've given these, that we met through these Spark sessions or through these NEXUS events that give us the chance to call these people and these resources and figure out what we can do for our business. And there's not a lot of ways to find that. It'd be impossible to just look up a company and find the right one.
Right. Well, Chad, I know you have 3 today, right? Yes, so I'm going to let you go and get to your meetings.
I'm plenty of time. Thank you, though.
All right, but thank you so much for catching up with me and sharing your insight and some of the things that you're dreaming about for your bakery.
Thank you for having me. And hey, everybody, if you're not going to NEXUS every year, next year in Dallas, you better be there. You're missing out.